Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to draw Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. Things to do for this video is going to be paper your pencil and your markers. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button and let's get right into this video. Alright, first I'm going to start for Tigger is going to be the head. So right here we're going to draw circle, 2 lines, backwards C, 2 lines right here, a circle, maybe make that a little smaller, that's way too long. Wait, no, make it like that. No, stretch it all the way out. Actually, draw the sketch like this. So yeah, and then we're gonna draw the ear. So yeah, so first one actually starts gonna be the nose. So right here we're gonna draw a big like circle. I'm gonna draw a line right here, and it goes all the way up here, then curves all the way back up here with 2 stripes right there. That line right here, one right there, that goes down to make it like a V, goes up, and goes right here, and the line, then another. Then right here we're gonna draw a line that goes all the way down. That makes 2 bumps right here, a circle, another one, an eyebrow, and another. I'm gonna draw a line that goes over here, right there, and another one right there with some lines. Then we're gonna draw like a V right there, line right there, another one right here, it goes right there, and then a line that goes all the way up to here, and then curves in right there, line, and then 2 lines. And then some stripes, like that. So you can draw some whiskers, and so you can draw one, another one, and another one. And you can draw 2 right here. I'm gonna draw 1, 2, 3 stripes, a line that curves all the way right to here, makes a big U, then a backwards C right here, and it bumps all the way right there. And a line, stripe, 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 and then a big stripe right there. And right here we're gonna draw a big like line right here, and a line right there, like a big backwards C right here, then it goes all the way to here. Then we're gonna draw a big C, a bump, another one, another one. Then we're gonna draw a big circle, line, line. It goes out like this and keeps going to right there with some lines for stripes. Like that. Then we'll draw a line right there and right there. Stripe, 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 and then a stripe, and then a stripe. Then we're going to draw a line that goes to here, curves, another U, and then a bump right there. Go right there, and then right there, and then stripe, 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 and then a stripe right there. So yeah, that's what the sketch should look like. I'm going to show you your colors, because I already got them out and I cleaned them ahead. So yeah, so these should be all your colors in your outline marker. But yeah, these should be all your colors. So yeah, let's get color and outline. Ka-chow! Alright, and that's how you draw a Tigger. I know you guys couldn't see the tail, so I'm gonna, like, you can pause the video if you can to see it. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's how you draw a Tigger. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.